Hello. Are you a taxi driver?
Yes, I am. Do you need a taxi?
Yes, I want to go to the train station.
Okay. Please get in.
Thank you. Is it far?
No, it's about 15 minutes.
How much is it?
It is $12.
That's okay. Let's go.
All right. Please sit and relax.
Do you drive every day?
Yes, I work every day.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like meeting people.
That's nice.
We are almost there.
Great. I need to catch my train.
Don't worry. You are on time.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We are here.
Here is $15.
Thank you. Your change is $3.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good trip.
Going to the train station. Hello. Are you free?
Yes. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station.
Okay. Please get in.
How much is it?
It's $10.
That's fine. Please go fast. I'm late.
Don't worry. I will drive fast and safe.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Okay. Do you know the station?
Yes, I go there every day.
That's good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please relax.
I see the station now.
Yes, we are almost there.
Thank you. Here is $10.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Trip to the hospital. Hello. Can you take me to the hospital?
Yes, please get in.
Thank you. Is it far?
No, only 10 minutes.
Okay. How much will it cost?
It will be $8.
That's fine. Please go quickly.
Yes, I will. Please wear your seat belt.
Okay. Do you go to the hospital often?
Yes, many people go there.
Is it busy now?
A little, but not too much traffic.
That's good. I have a doctor's appointment.
I see. I will try to be on time.
Thank you. You are kind.
You're welcome. Oh, we are here.
Yes. This is the hospital. Here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your change, $2.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Visiting the city mall. Hello. Can you take me to City Mall?
Yes, of course. Please sit.
Thank you. Is there traffic now?
A little, but I know a faster way.
Okay, that's good.
Do you want me to turn on the AC?
No, thank you. Can I open the window?
Sure, go ahead.
How much is the ride?
Around $12.
That's okay. Not too expensive.
We will be there in 15 minutes.
Can you stop near the main door?
Yes, I will stop close to the entrance.
Thank you. I have heavy bags.
No problem. I will help you.
You are very kind.
You're welcome, miss.
Here is $12.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Quick stop before the train station. Hello. Taxi.
Hi. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station, please.
Okay. Please get in.
Can we stop at a small shop first?
Sure. Do you want snacks or water?
Yes, I want to buy water.
No problem. I will stop at a shop on the way.
Thank you. Is the weather always hot here?
Yes, it is hot in the afternoon.
It is too hot today.
Yes. Do you want the window open or AC?
AC, please. The sun is very strong.
Okay. The ride will take 20 minutes.
How much is the ride?
It will be $10.
That's fine. Can I have your number?
Sure. Do you need a taxi tomorrow?
Yes, I have a flight in the morning.
I can pick you up. Just call me.
Thank you very much. You're very helpful.
You're welcome, miss.
Here is $10. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a good trip.
Bye. A musical ride to Green Park. Hello. Is this taxi free?
Yes. Please get in. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Green Park.
Okay. It will take 15 minutes.
Thank you. Can you play some music?
Sure. Do you like pop music?
Yes, I love pop. Not too loud, please.
No problem. Is this okay?
Yes. Perfect. Do you drive every day?
Yes, I drive 6 days a week.
That's a lot. Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 boys. They are 8 and 10.
That's nice. Are they funny?
Very funny. They like to sing in the car.
Maybe they can join you one day.
Haha. Then you will hear too much singing.
I don't mind. I like happy drivers.
Thank you. You are a kind passenger.
How much is the ride?
$7.
Here is $10. You can keep the change.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the park.
I will. Have a great day.
You too.
Rainy ride to Central Mall. Hello. Can you stop, please?
Yes. Come in quickly. It's raining a lot.
Thank you. I forgot my umbrella.
Don't worry. You are safe now.
Can you take me to Central Mall?
Of course. That's 10 minutes from here.
Is the road okay?
It's a little busy. Rain makes traffic slow.
Oh no. I hope I'm not late.
Don't worry. I'll try the faster road.
Thank you. Can I open the window a little?
Better not. The rain may come inside.
Oh yes, you're right. Sorry.
It's okay. Do you go to the mall often?
Yes, I work there in a shop.
Nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, but rainy days are hard.
I understand. Rain makes everything slow.
How much is the ride?
$6.
Here is $10. Please keep the change.
Thank you. You're very kind.
Thank you for the ride. Stay dry.
You too. Take care.
First time in the city. Hello. Can you take me to Green Park?
Yes. Get in, please.
Thank you. I'm new here.
Welcome. Is this your first time in the city?
Yes, I moved here yesterday.
Oh, I hope you like it.
It's nice but very big.
Yes, it's a big city. Green Park is beautiful.
How far is it?
About 15 minutes.
Is there a cafe near the park?
Yes, there's a small one across the street.
Great. I want to eat lunch there.
Good idea. Their food is cheap and tasty.
How much is the taxi ride?
It's $8.
That's okay. Can I pay by card?
Sorry, only cash.
Oh no. I only have $10.
That's fine. I can give you change.
Thank you. You are very kind.
No problem. Enjoy the park.
I will. Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
Early morning airport ride. Hello. Are you free?
Yes, please get in.
I need to go to the airport.
Okay. Which terminal?
Terminal 1, please.
Sure. It will take 25 minutes.
That's fine. Is the road busy now?
No, it's early. The road is clear.
How much will it cost?
It will be $20.
Okay. Please drive fast but safe.
Yes, I will. Don't worry.
Thank you. I have a flight at 7.
You'll reach before 6:30.
Great. Here is $20.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Bye.
Hit the subscribe button.